What's the smaller zero of the quadratic function f of x equals 2x squared minus 8x minus 24? So to find the zeros, you start by setting f of x, or your output, equal to 0. In this case, 0 equals 2x squared minus 8x minus 24. From there, we need to factor it. But we have an a value of 2, which makes it a little bit trickier to factor. But in this case, all of the coefficients are multiples of 2. So we can actually just divide everything by 2 to not have to worry about that. That will give us 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. So now we just factor it, think what binomial times what binomial would give us this. So in this case, that's x times x gives us x squared. And what times what makes a negative? Well, one of them has to be negative, one of them has to be positive. And then we think what numbers multiply to make 12 and add up to negative 4. Well, we could have 12 and 1, 3 and 4, but in this case, it's gonna be 6 and 2 because those two are 4 apart. And now we have to determine which of them is the negative number. Well, if they add up to a negative, then you want the bigger number to be the negative. Because negative 6 plus positive 2 would give you a negative 4. If you switch those, they would add up to positive 4. So this is equal to 0, which means that one of these factors has to be 0. The only way to multiply two numbers and get 0 is if one of the numbers is 0. So we'd say x minus 6 equals 0 when x equals positive 6, and x plus 2 equals 0 when x equals negative 2. So those are our two zeros, but again, we're looking for the smaller of the two zeros. If one of them's positive, one's negative, the negative one is the smaller value. So we'll reject 6 and say that our answer, our smaller zero, is x equals negative 2.